Good morning, boys and girls, friends, neighbors, loved one. Time for another kitchen package opening from my friends at MDT. So, you recall last year I did one of these, and this is this year. So what's in the box? It's going to be a special one. So we got a Merry Christmas from MDT Christmas card signed by all the people. Merry Christmas from the staff at MDT, but when the fullness of time had come, God sent forth his Son, born of woman, born under the law, to redeem those who were under the law, so that we might receive adoptions as sons. That's Galatians 4:4-5. That's a lovely card. Thank you for choosing MDT. Hope you enjoy using our products. Your order was picked, checked, and packed by Alexis at MDT.com. Practical instructions found at MDTTac.com/install. If you have any problems, call 604-393-0800 or email support@mdttac.com. Beautiful. And then we have, we're working hard to complete your order. Some items are on back order and will be shipped as they become available. Now, just a little background on that. I ordered a couple of MDT 223 steel 10-round magazines that fit the Ruger 204. I tried using the Ruger polymer ones. They don't function well in that chassis. So I just bought one a few months back, and it works beautifully. I should have waited for the Black Friday sale and bought 3 at that time, but I didn't, so bad on me. But then again, it's on back order, and I was trying to wait for some weather to get out and try that. So there's that. Nice, another MDT barrel flag. I see a lot of guys modifying these, so I'm going to see what I'm going to do so that it fits nice, dependent on the action that you put them in. So that's your gun is safe chamber flag that proves that it's can't even talk this morning. Holy crow, boys and girls. The brake job yesterday just blew me away. So this proves that the gun is safe. And this is the kitchen unraveling or unboxing. So, we get a sample pack of gun oil. So everybody and his brother's making gun oil now. I'm going to give this a try for use on high friction areas. We'll try that on maybe on a bolt on that 204. There doesn't seem to be a lot in there, but thank you again, MDT. We'll give this stuff a try. You guys know I'm a lubrication nut. Of course, the obligatory MDT sticker. I would love to have 10 of these. I'm a sticker guy. And here we have the packing slip. I got it on a good deal. There we go. So the 2 AICS style magazines are on back order. I'm waiting for those. And just took a while to get here. It was delayed. So now we're through all that other poop. Let's get into the good stuff. In the box, what I bought for my CZ457 is the MDT Field Stock. Let's get this out of the box. I'm one-handed again because the tripod is at Jake's place. So there you go. This is going to go on the CZ457 that I bought. Oh, look at that. I wanted to try one in tan, just because the tan and the black looks so cool. Oh, look, another MDT sticker. How about that? So in here we have, now I'm hoping that I'm going to try this out because I'm left-handed, but it's a right-handed action. So I'll tell you, it's a real pain in the stones. Beautiful box again. You know, MDT likes to build their beautiful boxes. Like, look, that's got artwork in it and everything. That's a pretty cool box. The packaging's a little underwhelmed. You can see a lot of marks on the in this plastic bag from it bouncing around like there. So in my mind, that's possibilities of something getting damaged, but we'll open it out of the bag and we'll have a look. Hold on. So there it is, out of the box, out of the package. I don't see any markings on it or any damage whatsoever. It's a process mark there when they built it. I like that bottom metal. That's nice. We're going to see how that works. So, I mean, you got to understand, this is not their regular price point chassis. This is budget, entry level. MDT puts nice little plastic nuts in there so that the fasteners don't go flopping around. Now, this is designed to use the OEM magazine. So what I'm going to do is, see, I was worried about this nut. The adjusting nut. I don't know if you guys at MDT could do this. I bet you can. If you could design this, because of the problem that left-handed shooters have, is a lot of times we got to use right-handed actions. So if you guys could design this to flip on either side, I think that would be cool. I think you can do it. There may be some way of using maybe an insert on this side, an insert on that side, where you could pop that insert, swap the inserts, and move the threads on the other side. I think that'd be just the coolest thing around. So that's something for you guys at MDT to think about, right? Is to get this nut, the thumb bolt out of the way for us left-handed shooters who are forced to use right-handed actions. And MDT says on their website that they have a lot of left-handed chassis, but they don't really. They only have for certain models. The Remington 700 pattern, they have lots of those, but some of the models they don't. And I have a Ruger 457 varmint. Or sorry, CZ457 varmint. And I want to be able to put that in a chassis. But, you know, like I said, they're limited as to what they have. So there it is. I got it out of the box. I think I'll do another video where I swap it over and set it up. I'm not sure yet. I got to do some research. You guys, maybe you can comment and help me. That the YouTube's rules now for what they consider is showing somebody how to build something. So I'll do a comparison between the two, and then we'll look at that there. Stand by. All right, boys and girls. Here's the comparison from the stock CZ457 polymer stock. The stock really isn't a bad piece. It has just a few misgivings that I don't like. No M-lock grooves in it. Obviously, the MDT comes with 4 on each side of the 3 sides. I'm assuming that lug there is removable for the sling swivel. What else? This has 2 swing swivels on it, and they are molded in. So if you were to put an Arca rail on this, first of all, there's no holes, so you'd be doing some work. And then you'd have to grind off or cut off these 2 lugs. Sorry, the lighting's bad. Let me get the lighting over here. So those 2 lugs would have to be ground off. So that's what you'd be looking at. This is a base model CZ457 and 22 rimfire. The gun bolt, the action's open, the gun's safe. There's no magazine in it. So before you guys start hammering me on that. Now I stuck this Vortex scope on there because I had bought it for another gun. I don't think I'm going to keep it on there. There's 100 reviews, or more than probably 100 reviews on the 457, so I won't go into that. I just wanted to show you guys what I bought, the reasoning behind why I bought it. And a couple of things is when you're shooting with a scope like I do, my eyes are pretty pooch, so I can't use iron sights. I'm going to always use optics. So this gun's more suited to optics. It has a cheek piece that you can raise or lower dependent on where your eye's going to look into that scope, so that you can get a good cheek weld onto that rest and be able to make sure that you can be consistent in your shooting. So basically that's why I went with that. What else? Where was I going with that? Sorry. Let's switch it over, and then we'll take another picture. I'd show you doing it, but I don't know with the YouTube. I don't need my channel demonetized, so or any strikes. So let me get that going. I think I can show you this set of tools that you would need to do this kind of work. Maybe it doesn't even have that. I'm gonna check and see, because it's a torque screw that holds the action into that chassis. So I've got this Weaver set. Let me see if what I got is what I require is in there. I think that's the biggest torques right there. And the numbering doesn't follow. Can't see. I think that's it. It's a little bit loose, but let's give it a try. Stand by. So just a quick note on this chassis. It does have a recoil lug inside of it. It is all mounted. I don't think you'd need to bed this. This is all machined out of aluminum. That whole midsection. The rest of the rest of the chassis obviously is polymer. For the price point on this, you're not going to get a fully aluminum chassis. Don't even expect it. But for what you get for the price point is a boatload of quality from what I can see. I've had some different manufacturers, and I think for what you're getting out of this, it's a pretty darn good deal, especially on Black Friday. So there it is, bolted into the chassis. You can see this looks very good. Like, would you look at that? That thing is just gorgeous. Yeah, I like it. So there it is, the MDT Field Stock. Pretty simple name, pretty simple device. Looks good. I'm going to add some length of pull spacers in here later, so I can get a good feel of it, because I'm a long arm guy. I'm 6'3", and there it is. It fits in there nicely. So you got room for the safety. Yeah, nice room for the bolt. There it is with the flag. There it is. Made safe. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, because I do more of them. I'm trying to diversify the channel a little bit. Any comments, please feel free. If you bought an MDT Field Stock, sorry, let me know what you think, because so far I'm impressed for the price that I paid for this. And I tell you, it sits nice, and there's lots of room in that barrel groove for a bigger barrel. This is the stock CZ barrel. You can see the stickers are still on it. And maybe I'll look at upgrading the barrel, because these actions are superb. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back often for more content. I got some content coming up today that hopefully I'm going to finish, and then we'll see how that goes. Talk to you soon.